Why you wake me up this morning? Me no wake up yet.
Okay.
What you were showing me?
This scuba diaper. Mama to go back.
Jesus Christ. You look cute. Hey, Ailey.
Look at my shoes, kid.
Ooh, that's sick. Ooh. Crikey. Want to sleep doing all that?
And then can even make a new color. See?
Mad. So vlog when me officially up now. When they gone, me I go back to sleep. So Aiden, them father and mother gone at the movie theater right now. Keela go work. Uno don't know Christmas time I come up. Uno see she having the where ear name? She get the bundles, you see me? Cause her uncle see it and she take you right.
The trucks might have shown.
Oh, yeah. It kinda pull up now cause birthday gone already. So right now me I add up some Thanksgiving food where they have for our wedding. A whole heap of food still left. A whole heap of rice and curry chicken and them something except not chicken the day. But me I can't kill like I work right now. Me tired. Me only get like probably 3 hours sleep. The people them come and knock down the door, I don't see already. I go carry kill like I work, mash up the food here, and then try get a nap before the people them come back. Cause them go on a movie go and watch Wakanda. Me that go, but me dey too tired. So you ready? You gotta put on band-aid?
Yeah, come on, fingernail, bro.
So vlog right now, as me say. We're up on we drop Keela at school. Sleep or bite me. Yeah, more school work. Sleep or bite me. It's a lovely cold day here in Atlanta, Georgia. Wanna go sleep? Me do you wanna go up on the road, go shoot some content for you and find something for do for you? But sleep or beat me. And tomorrow me I leave in the morning. Now, never surprised to tell you no kinda. But me I see what I go on because technical difficulties. Probably in the next vlog I'm gonna go see what go on or hear what go on. If me not talk about in the next vlog, that mean it gone. Alright. But we dey our job Keela got work. Keela officially 16 now. Big woman.
Want to pay for the next set?
How much is?
$75.
No, I can get them cheaper for that. That never look good.
But my French tips are $50.
I can't get the press out on them.
No.
Keela officially 16 now, big woman. They overstay her time now at work, so she can stay later at work. She's of age right now. She did have a car, you know, but the car gone right now because she don't want to drive no more. Afraid for drive. You want to drive this? She afraid for drive now. She don't learn for drive what year. You still have a video of them? You don't learn for drive?
No, don't put it in there.
Alright, we don't put it in there. Anytime we say don't put nothing in there, we don't put nothing in there. Keela have a video when she don't learn how to drive our parking lot.
I lie. I never. Just.
We see video.
Almost
I told me that have a phone no more. We see video.
Did I fly and accidentally pressed down?
She did have a drop top BMW, I think, yeah. And she don't want to drive, so father sell it. So now, you know, drive back again. You want back on different car? What kind of car? So I get one car on different time.
Got the truck now running out.
You're fast, you know, remember your family them fast.
No.
Me and your brother fast, me and your father fast. We are track star in a real life. Are your phone that?
No, my phone, I'm a lighter.
How kind of bag that, my friend?
Stop.
How kind of bag that?
Stop, I buy myself a selfie.
When? For your Christmas?
No, I'm just gonna go buy.
Oh. My niece reaching out to go out, you see that weave there? Yo, Keela 16 now. Me I go and go sleep. Me hurry up and go and go sleep before them picnic they come. So vlog girl at night now. Are we there here? I go sleep. I mean I tell them sleep out the whole of the day. If I'm do the picnic them I wake up and I go sleep out the whole of the day. Right now we there a Keela job. Me wait for Keela for forward out of the place. See our job right there, so I wait for her for forward of the place. So I probably touch one party. You know? That's my last night. So I chill with the picnic them. Keela there work. Me that try shoot one little short film, but it not go work. It just not go work. So right now we just there, we'll have vibe. I go in the city, go on party, go link up with Antoine. The guy with theme birthday party me did there. I go link up with him. And we go catch a vibe. And then I come back home and head back to Florida. So now forward with me, you see me? Remember me I told you say me that go tell you something in the next vlog. Probably it not got happen now, for sure it not got happen. But when we reach a Florida, I have some things that forward. So no look out for that, you see me? I'm a thing. Yeah, mustache? Let me see.
Every girl.
You thought like for me?
No, every girl have a mustache.
Me have beats like
My
when
one
you're
alone.
40. And the girl them say father. Big up Las Vegas Nova. John Jones, you know me. Rolex for me receipt a boost down. Got it. Damn, car accident, just something. The people them still in that car. People them still in that car, that's crazy. Them can't come out. See two of them over here, so. Shit. Like change. Damn. That bitch flip. So vlog girl, morning. Early in the morning as you can see. Everybody gone. I'm me alone there here. And when I come in from the party, I don't even know if my vlog. So I do this just in case I not catch nothing. But last time I never video the party where we go. Why? If you see me never video the whole Antoine party thing too, because YouTube start when them see say you know on crowd settings with loud music I play, them copyright the video regardless of. So if me go party now in a vlog and me go catch none of the party scene them, I like some quick probably 10-second clip and then after party me vlog. You see me? Like when you see me do. In an Antoine vlog, I think me just put 10 seconds in the party, then we do the after party. Fuck around. But today I'm leaving Atlanta. Me a beard right now. Me a bounce out one vlog for go now. You see me? So me a go beard right now and go get ready for go back to Florida. You see me? Everybody gone. And it was fun. This fun. What 2 days I spent? Forward Saturday and I left Monday. Yeah, so I'm a thing. We're gonna stay tuned. We're gonna go back to Florida. To my brother where you watch this, Chris, I know you watch a vlog. You probably watch one. My youth, you see this? I want to teeth it, I swear to you. But you Keela tell me say you get it as a gift for your work. That's why we not take this car go put in a truck right now, you know. My lucky my youth. I hear that I save you. Cause this will do good on me yard. Do all of this. Yo. Jesus. Be a police up on the road. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I think that was it. You done? So I'm at Team Vlogger right now. We're there 3 hours away from the house. Just when we reach your house. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no problem. So we're 3 hours away. We're about to reach the house. And yeah. That was awkward, but So go buy gas right now. Ooh, more water. Might as well buy a case of water. How much am I selling my for? So vlog world, I notice me never have my water. So why not? Why not buy the water? Right? Should I run some put my bag then? I'm gonna put them on the passenger side. And we are ready to go. We are not put no gas yet. How me I do? I don't put no gas yet. Alright. There we go. So as me that say we're back in our car, load up the car and ready to go. We're 3 hours away. And thing. So we don't know the pre. Go and see it too so we reach home. Mad move. Alright, vlog, good morning. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:55 a.m.
I come back home, drop asleep, and just wake up. Jesus Christ. But we reach back home. And the computer on a year ago, so me did a render one vlog. Jesus. I'm tired, man. But thank God me reach home safe. You see me? And thing. In our next vlog, we have a big surprise soon. Hopefully. I don't know I'm gonna need to watch a vlog there. So hope you watch the next vlog we're gonna drop. And I'm gonna end the vlog like this. So go and mad up on yourself. Both to start my day. You never see me like this in a while, you know. Just you cut my teeth and brush, you know. Suppose so ugly. Big up on yourself, me gone.
Father Depot.
Father,
Fully.
you catch it alive?
Outside alive.
Rich alive?
Bumbo class.
Me couldn't forget the night when me get in on my life. Best pussy when me ever fall. God damn it, it's so tight.